Animal Sounds Part 1. Hi, I'm Peach. Today we will discuss about the different sounds of some animals of our planet. First we have is tiger. The sounds that a tiger makes are roar, growl, snarl. Next we have is lion. Its sounds are roar, growl, snarl. Just like the tiger and the lion, the sounds that jaguar and leopards make are roar, growl, snarl. The next animal we have is an elephant. The sound that an elephant makes is trumpet. Moving on to the next animal, we have the giraffe. The sounds that a giraffe makes are bleat and hum. The next animal is zebra. And the sounds that a zebra makes are neigh, whinny, and nicker. The next animal we have is a bear. The sounds that bears make are roar and growl. Moving on to the next animal, we have the hippopotamus. And the sound that a hippopotamus makes is growl. Now let's look at the next animal we have. It's the fox. And the sounds that a fox makes are bark, scream, howl, and snore. The next animal we have is the wolf. And the sounds that a wolf makes are howl and growl. The next animal we have is the hyena. And the sound that a hyena makes is laugh. Now let's look at the next animal. We have the deer. The sounds that a deer makes are bellow and bleat. Now let's look at the sounds that a hedgehog makes. Those sounds are grunt and chirp. Next we have is the monkey. The sounds made by a monkey are scream and chatter. The next animals we have are llama and alpaca. And the sounds that these animals make are alarm call, click, and hum. The next animal we have is capybara. And the sounds that it makes are squeak, chatter, and bark. Now we know the different sounds of some animals. I hope you had fun learning about these different sounds. Thank you so much for joining me today. Also, to join us on our fun adventures, be sure to check out our other videos. You can find the links in the description box below. Bye bye for the day. See you soon. And if you like our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut